Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be taking a look at the new Google Pixel Buds. I've been using them for a couple weeks now, and so far I have really been enjoying using them. The case has a sort of a matte finish and feels soft, not as smooth as the back of the Pixel 4, but pretty smooth. It also has a darker shade of white and no branding on the case, so it gives it that cleaner look. The case is very compact and can easily slide into my pocket and out of my pocket. It is about the same size as the AirPods Pro case, so it's very slim. The case has a satisfying click when you open and close the case. The earbuds will give you a prompt when you open the case for the first time to pair them with your phone and set up your Google Assistant. After you pair them, they will continue to give you a prompt giving you the battery life of each earbud and the case, which is really handy. If you have it connected to multiple devices, it will give you the prompt on both devices, which is pretty cool. What I really love about the Pixel Buds is that I can ask the Google Assistant to place a call or text someone without interrupting my screen and read me my notifications. This is a feature that I use a lot and have used a lot on the first gen Pixel Buds. The Pixel Buds fit me well. They are small and are comfortable to wear. They are way smaller than the first gen Pixel Buds, which my girlfriend was excited about because they now fit her ear without giving her any discomfort after wearing them for 30 minutes. This may not be the case with everyone. The tips can be replaced to get a better seal, but the ear wing is not replaceable. The sound quality on the Pixel Buds is great. It's clear, but the bass isn't as strong on this one, but overall it's enjoyable. As for the microphone, the Pixel Buds has a great set of microphones. So here's a quick microphone test with the Pixel Buds. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. This is a quick microphone test coming from the Pixel Buds. I am really happy with the great microphone quality on the Pixel Buds. And this is the type of audio quality that the other person will be hearing when you're on a phone call. So let me know in the comment section what you think about the microphone quality on the Pixel Buds. The Pixel Buds has this adaptive sound feature that will automatically adjust the volume of your earbuds depending on your surrounding noise level. It sounds like a neat feature, but I haven't really been able to test this out as much with the quarantine in place. Another cool feature is that you can make the earbuds ring when you misplace them. It's not a very loud ring, but it's a ring that can help you locate the earbuds when you drop them underneath the sofa or you just leave them in another room. So it's a neat little helpful feature. I like that they kept the swipe gestures to increase and lower the volume. You can swipe right or up to increase the volume and left or down to lower it. And this makes it super easy to control the volume. The touch controls are very responsive, but the autoplay and pause feature has a somewhat of a long delay compared to other earbuds that I have tested out before, such as the Xiaomi AirDots Pro. It's like half a second longer. Compared to the Xiaomi AirDots Pro, they look slow. This won't really bother many of you, but it's something that I noticed right away after getting used to the instant pause and play on the Xiaomi AirDots Pro. And this is something that can be improved with an update. Comparing the Pixel Buds to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, the Pixel Buds can compete to a certain extent. They both sound good and are really comfortable to wear, but the Galaxy Buds has an advantage with the gaming mode, which improves the latency while gaming. So you can play games with the Samsung Galaxy Buds without much noticeable delay from the time you tap on the fire button and the time you hear the gunfire. You will also be able to hear the enemy's footsteps at a decent time compared to the Pixel Buds, where you might struggle locating the enemy based on the delay sound. So it's not a pleasant experience on the Pixel Buds when gaming. The Samsung Galaxy Buds also has the ambient noise function that allows you to hear people around you when you activate it, so that you don't have to remove your earbuds, and that is a really handy feature. The Samsung Galaxy Buds has a better battery life on the earbuds. The earbuds last a little over 10 hours on a single charge, while the Pixel Buds last 5 hours. So if you find yourself having to use the earbuds for a long time, then you might want to go with the Samsung Galaxy Buds that will provide you the better battery life on the earbud. They both still give you a total of 24 hours with the case, so they are on par with each other on that. For me, this is not an issue. 5 hours on the earbud is enough. Plus, the Pixel Buds has quick charge. If you put the earbuds in the case for 10 minutes, they will give you 2 hours of listening time, which is great. And the Pixel Buds also supports wireless charging for a more convenient way of charging. So with all of that being said, the new Pixel Buds are a great pair of earbuds that not only sound great, but also have a great set of microphones. It is lacking active noise cancelling, but the noise isolation does a really good job, and I would highly recommend it. So that does it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you found the video helpful, subscribe for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.